How to place a test order in Shopify. So if you want to go ahead and place a test order for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your settings and you're going to go over to payments. Now, once you come over to payments here, whenever you add a payment for yourself, so let's say I'm going to add a manual payment method over here. Okay. I'm going to add some custom details, payment instructions. Once you add this, you're going to click on activate. And whenever someone goes ahead and properly activates a payment, what you're going to be doing is you're going to get a test order icon. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. So you're going to come over to your payments, and once you come over to the payment section over here, you can see that it allows you to get a proper test order. Simply go over to payments just like this. And once you go over to your payments, you can simply choose a test order through your payments. And your payments could be anything. It could be Shop Pay. It could be any other payment status that you have. And simply just mark it as a pending order and send it to yourself in the easiest way. So yeah, just go over to payments and get a test order for yourself right now. And you can just simply come here and see it's going to give you an option like activate for testing bogus gateway. And that is how you can send a test order to yourself. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.